Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to use a Doodly whiteboard video to celebrate an achievement.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Whether you're recognizing a team milestone, highlighting an employee's accomplishment, or celebrating a personal win, a Doodly whiteboard video can make the moment feel even more special. These videos are great for sharing in meetings, on social media, or as a surprise shout out. Today we'll pretend we're creating a short recognition video for a fictional employee named Jordan, who just completed a major project for Acme Widgets. And what we want to do is kind of mimic the actual award, the piece of paper that he might be getting, right? So what I have done here is I found an image of a blank award and I made it my background image. And then we'll add stuff to it. And because it's the background image, you can have multiple scenes. Let me just add a page here that just automatically come onto here. It'll make a little more sense once we get started. So let's go ahead and start with a fresh video. Create new video. Let's give it a name, Jordan's Award. Where did I find that award background? I found it over here in freepik.com, and this is it right here. It's the one I used. You could certainly use a different one if you'd like. Just go ahead and download it. When you do, make a note of the size, because this is not the same aspect ratio as my video and I want it to fit perfectly. I'm going to write down 1500 by 1061, this medium sized one. That way when I bring it into Doodly, I'm going to adjust the size of my video to match. Because I want it to be the background image, I want to do it in settings, down here on the left. Background style, custom. Custom image. And here you're going to browse for whichever certificate file you have downloaded. I'm going to browse for the same one that I already have. It's right here. And see, this is what I'm talking about, the aspect ratio, okay? It's not fitting, see? So I'm gonna cancel this for the moment. And over here in resolution, we're gonna choose custom. We're gonna change this little lock so it's unlocked. And I'm gonna type in 1500 by 1061, which is what I wrote down just a moment ago. I need to browse for that file again. And now it fits perfectly, like so. From here we can build the video however we'd like. Now I said Jordan was an engineer for Acme Widgets, so we probably want our logo, so let's go to props. You can upload yours by using the blue and white plus sign. I already have one that we'll use. Place that right about there. And then let's get that little award ribbon. So I'm going to type in award. This little badge. And we'll place this maybe down. Let's try and make it kind of the same size as this. So for the moment, like that. And then let's put it over here. Like so, so it's balanced. Maybe. Now let's go to text. Certificates tend to have fancy text, so I used that one earlier. Let's see what else I have. Let's use this one. Now let's fiddle with the timing a little bit. I think this can come on pretty quick. Same with this. And then slow that one down a little, that one down a little. That's probably fine. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, I just think these need to come last, so I'm just going to move them down to the bottom. Let's put some text inside the award. This is pretend it's his 5-year anniversary or something like that. Let's add a couple seconds to the end of the scene. And then let's add another scene. This is a video, it's not just a piece of paper. So here we go. And then let's bring in a photo of Jordan. So go to props, blue and white plus sign, browse for your file. I just have a stock photo that I'll use for now. Obviously, if this was a real company and a real employee, you'd use his actual photo. And then maybe we'll put some text here. This is something that you could share on a Zoom call or in a meeting or just on your company internet or just on your company server, whatever you think works best. I'm going to click this little pencil icon here and let's have this fade on. Slow that down. And then let's put some time at the end of the scene. You could also just share it with him if you didn't want it to be company-wide. Just privately share it, and that would be also a nice touch. And one of the nice things about having this video is you can reuse it. So the next time you want to give someone an award, you just duplicate this video and use it basically as a template. Let's go ahead and add a short little voiceover and maybe some music, and then we'll be done. So to do a voiceover, you want to go down here to your timeline where the microphone is, hit the little plus sign, and when you're ready to begin speaking, hit the red button. Hey everyone, we just wanted to recognize Jordan Jones for outstanding service. This is Jordan's 5th anniversary with us. Alright, I stopped it because I want to do some timing adjustments, and I'll do the second part in a moment. So what I want to do is hover over this edge until I get a double-sided arrow. I'm just going to close up that dead air. I like the timing okay with the beginning. Go to scene settings. I'm just going to make that just a touch shorter. And then on this one, we have his name first, and then his photo. And then I want to say this last part. So now I'm ready to finish my voiceover. Congratulations, Jordan, on your 5th anniversary. We're sending a big fat bonus check to you. Okay, now for some music, go to the Sounds tab, Categories, Music. We'll choose Exciting Day, put that in there. Then the same process, we just need to cut this down. Size, right click, fade out. And if you wanted, of course, you could add more scenes, but I think this will be fine for our purposes today. Let's real quickly turn this volume down on the music because it's much louder than my voice. So hit the icon and then just get it down to about 10%, and that should be fine. And that is that. Let's take one quick look and then we'll be done. Hey everyone, we just wanted to recognize Jordan Jones for outstanding service. This is Jordan's 5th anniversary with us. Congratulations, Jordan, on your 5th anniversary. We're sending a big fat bonus check to you. And there you have it. That's how you can celebrate achievements with a whiteboard video. It's a simple way to acknowledge success, and it can go a long way in making someone feel appreciated. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.